in there, hello guys, if you're in there roasting barrel with your someone don't know who, there's three options. There's three good roastings that you need to do to it. You need to roast someone. First is roses are red, violets are blue. If God make me beautiful, what happened to you? Number 2, roses are red, violets are blue. If your parents says you look beautiful, they are lying to you. Number 3, roses are red, violets are blue. If I flush the toilet, I remember you. Subscribe for more, like for more.